If you'd like to book an appointment with Dario, open up your internet browser and go to dbayardo.youcanbookme and click enter. This will direct you to his scheduling page. Here you can find a time and date that works well with your schedule. If you need to choose a different week, you can toggle by clicking on this arrow on the right-hand side, and it'll take you to a different week. If you need to go back to the other week, just click the arrow on the other side of the page and it'll take you back. Here, you can book your appointment. So for example, if I want to book an appointment for 9 a.m. on Thursday, December 10th, I'll click the 9 a.m. box and it'll take me to a form where I fill out some information so Dario knows who he's meeting with and what he can help me with. I'll put my student ID, my first name, my last name, my email address, and then if I'd prefer to meet by phone or Zoom. If I want to meet by phone, I want to be sure to put in my phone number. Or if I decide that I want to meet by Zoom, I can just go ahead and type Zoom. Next, I can choose from a couple different options on why I'd like to meet with Dario. It can either be about classroom accommodations, testing accommodations, online accommodations, Res Life accommodations, which is housing and dining, support with clockwork, or something else. If I want to meet about multiple things, I can click multiple options. After I choose my reason for meeting, I click the I'm not a robot box and click confirm booking. I'll be taken to a confirmation page that confirms when my appointment is set for and also provides me with the link for the Zoom meeting if that's the option I chose. Before meeting with Dario, I want to be sure to visit this website and read the rest of these instructions to make sure I'm totally set for our meeting, and this will enable him to help me as much as possible. If I want to add the meeting to my calendar so I don't forget about it, I can click either Add to Google, Add to Office 365, or Download Calendar Invite, depending on what type of calendar I use. It'll take me to my calendar page and I can save it easily so I remember when my appointment is. Hope this was helpful. Thanks.